Assalamu alaikum friend, Khoshe Marhaba. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying good health by the grace of Almighty. I want to tell you that my today's topic is very important, so please listen to it carefully and don't forget to watch full video, okay? So let's begin according to the teachings of His Divine Eminence Sarkar Gohar Shahi and our beloved Sufi Master Sayyid Yunus Al Gohar. My today's question is celebration of Eid Miladun Nabi proven by the Quran? So the answer is that the Quran personally does not mention about the celebration of Eid Miladun Nabi, but like other messengers like John the Baptist and Jesus Christ, God mentions their birthday. God said in Surah Maryam, ayat number 33, He said, blessed were the moments they were born. So you will have to understand, it's a common sense that when John the Baptist was born is a blessed moment, and when Jesus Christ was born is also a blessed moment. So then are the moments when our beloved prophet, the leader of the prophets, and our beloved of God came into the world, not blessed moments? Obviously, they will blessed moments. Okay, let's suppose, as we all know, that we are not directly instructed to celebrate Prophet Muhammad's birthday, but you will notice some little things that there are many incidents which suggest us to celebrate Prophet Muhammad's birthday. Now here question raised, many people will ask that will Prophet like it? Did Prophet Muhammad like it about the celebration of his birthday? I'm telling you. I have example. I can tell you. See what happened when Prophet Muhammad ﷺ migrated from Mecca to Medina. The girls from Banu Fajjar tribe were standing there to greet Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. The drums were in their hands, and they were singing songs with joy in the celebration of Prophet Muhammad's advent to Medina. So friends, and I want to tell you that Prophet Muhammad ﷺ liked it and did not forbid it. So you will have to understand, okay? Look friends, if you can celebrate his advent from Mecca to Medina, so why can't you celebrate his advent into the world? And we all know that it is greater than this, okay? Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ advent to world is greater than his advent to Medina from Mecca, okay? As we all know, and I personally know it, that the birthday has no specific importance in religion, and it has nothing to do with religion. But what we will to have to understand is that, but because of your personal relation with Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, will not you be happy about the advent of Prophet Muhammad when he came into the world? Even Prophet Muhammad ﷺ himself said that you cannot become a devout believer, still you love me more than your parents and the entire humanity. So will he not celebrate his advent out of his love? I hope if you are a lover of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, you will be happy about his advent and you will celebrate it. And I love Prophet, so I will also celebrate his advent to the world because I love him. I love him the most. So friends, it's all about common sense. We need no any religious background to celebrate Prophet Muhammad's birthday, because we all love him and we should celebrate his birthday. Okay friends, my last message to all of you is that don't forget to subscribe Al Ra TV, and please follow Sufi Master Sayyid Yunus Al Gohar, because he is only the one in this world Sufi Master at that time. So if you have any question related to spirituality or related to religion, you can ask on Al Ra TV. I will give you a number of Al Ra TV above my video, okay? So friends, okay, take care. God Hafiz.